Hi, my name is Kat, and thank you so much for supporting and participating in our Botcat STEM Kit program. So for today, I'm going to be doing the Build Your Own Trampoline activity as part of the October STEM Kids program. So all the materials that you'll be seeing today and as part of this activity is going to be within your STEM Kit. So you're going to be using the actual container that your kit is going to come in, but for this activity, I'm going to be using, for this purpose, I'm going to be using a glass jar, because that also works. So we have a marble and then we have some rubber bands. So I'll kind of show you how we need to do this. So you have a larger container, but basically you'll just go over and kind of put it around the jar to cover the mouth of the jar. And you'll keep doing that until you have a nice little platform. So this can be as many rubber bands as you want or as little rubber bands as you want. And you'll just keep doing that, like so. Alright, and then I've already gone ahead and done it over here, so we're going to test it out. And I'll kind of explain why this works. So I have a blanket kind of laid out here so it doesn't make too much noise. We recommend doing this outdoors if you can, simply because in case this marble bounces too high or hits something, or you don't want to break something. So be careful with that when you're doing this. And as you can see, you can try to play a game to see how many times you can get it to bounce. I think I've gotten it to 3 or 4 times. But the reason this works is because it's thanks to a principle called, as part of Newton's third law. So as the marble bounces onto the rubber bands, it exerts a force, which the rubber bands are elastic, and also, as the third law states, every action has an equal and opposite reaction force. So every single time this bounces, the rubber band is bouncing back with the equal amount of force that the marble bounced onto it. So you kind of see it as it bounces back, you see? And that's pretty much how a trampoline works, and you have your very own trampoline right here in your house. You don't have to go outside. And you can just kind of keep playing with it, and there you go. So thank you guys so much for coming and for this video, or watching this video, and yeah.